Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Olivier de Chanterac. I'm from Process First, the partner and reseller of Creatio in France. And I'm today with Pierre-Alexandre Fuhrmann, General Manager from Axess. Thank you, Pierre-Alexandre, for being with us.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm glad to be here.
Pierre-Alexandre, can you tell us a little bit about Axess, your business and your strategy?
So Axess is an IT company based in France. We are around 300 experts, and we have three domains of activities. The first one, we are a software vendor developing a specialized software for some verticals like healthcare, education, and other domains. We are also a French telecom operator and cloud provider, and we do tailored digital services to integrate specific software, and especially in the arena of open source.
So digital and digital transformation, that means a lot to Axess?
Yeah, of course, because we are reselling digital transformation to our customer in their verticals, and we wanted to apply it to ourselves, to our business, and to create gains of productivity, but also to improve the customer experience. And Creatio was really instrumental of achieving this project.
So we've been luckily working together since 2018. So where are we today? What is Creatio doing for Axess?
So initially in 2018 we started to deploy Creatio because we wanted a solution for the service part. We wanted a customer portal and having a customer to communicate with us and open tickets and for the support. And then, of course, you know, we are very open source oriented, so we realized that there was a CRM module in Creatio, and so we ditched our CRM at that time, which was an open source base, in order to move it to the Creatio platform, and it was very powerful because it gives us this 360 degrees vision of our customer, which is crucial for us.
Okay. I know you are managing your business through NPS, the Net Promoter Score. Your experience with Process First and Creatio, how would you rank it? Would you give us good mark?
Yeah, so NPS is very important. This is a management tool for me because whenever a customer engages a relation with us and open a ticket at a service desk, we survey their experience and they give us a mark. And this is really a tool for me to feel the temperature. And I would say that not to give you 100 because nobody would believe me, but I would give you the same mark as we have in Axess, which is today 76, which is, I think, a good score.
Oh, that's a good mark. Well, thank you for that. Thank you for that. And how do you see the Creatio no-code platform? I mean, taking part of Axess strategy. Is it fixed? Do we have still a lot of topics to cover together?
Yeah, so the low-code capability enables us to move quickly on certain arena. So, for example, we implemented the CPQ module, which enables us to the sales workforce to make quotations very quickly. We couple that with a digital signature tool, so we reduce the process of signature from let's say 3 days to a couple of hours. And this brings us a lot of gains of productivity, and this gave us some ideas. We wanted to explore more on the marketing modules in order also to automate our marketing actions, and so that's part of the roadmap with Creatio.
Okay, right, good. Well, thanks. We look forward to that, and you know, we feel that there are many other topics that we will be able to address with Creatio. Thank you very much, Pierre-Alexandre. We again look forward to keeping the good relationship that we have and expanding in the future.
You're very welcome, Olivier, and I'm happy with this partnership.
Thank you.